Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So today's video is of string functions. In previous video we have seen 7 string functions, and in this video we will see the next 5 string functions. So let's start with the very first function, that is string to lower case. What this function will do: suppose you have a string variable str, and inside this you have a string computer. So very first function is to lowercase. That means this function will convert your string into lowercase characters. So how we will write, like str dot to lower case. So this function will convert your string into lowercase. That means this this string will get converted into lowercase computer. This would be the result. Second function is to uppercase. It is just opposite to lowercase, as its name suggests. It will convert all the characters into uppercase. So how you will write str dot to uppercase. So what it will give you? It will give you computer but in uppercase. Okay. Next is your replace function. String replace, and inside this you can see we have two arguments, that is char, old char, and new char. That means we want to replace our old character by new character. So how we will write, like you have it done, you have computer as a string, so str dot replace what I want to replace. Suppose I want to replace p by small b. That means I want to replace my str string in what we have in str computer. I want to replace p in computer by b. So what it will give you? Computer. Okay, because I have replaced p by small b. Next is your string replace old sequence of characters by new sequence of characters. This is same as previous one, but in previous one we were converting our character. But now in this we want to replace string. That means suppose you have a string as equals to bag is blue. So I want to replace blue by pink. So how I will write s dot replace blue by pink. This is nothing, it is same as previous one, but here we were converting the character, but here we are converting the whole string. That means blue, we are converting blue into pink. So what it will give? It will give the result bag is pink. So this will be the result. Now last is string concat. Concat means join. So that means it is going to join two or more strings together. So in str we have computer. Suppose one more string we have string a, we have applications. So I want to concat, I want to join these two strings, that is str and string A. So how I will write, in one more string I want to capture this string x equals to, that is your str dot concat. Concat means join. Concat with string A. That means I am going to join str string with string A. So what we have in str? We have computer, and what we have in small a string, that is applications. So the result would be computer applications. So one more thing, in Java we have a operator, that is plus operator. So what this operator do? It is also used as a concatenation of two strings. So how you will write, if you want to join str and string A, so how you can write? You can write str plus A. So this will also give you computer applications. That means the joining of two strings. So let's see with the help of examples. So here I have created one program. Here you can see I have imported the packages. This lang package you have to import if you want to use string class in your program. So here I have taken one variable string str, and I am using scanner class to ask the user to enter the string. So the very first is very simple, that str to lowercase, whatever user will enter the string, so it will convert that string into lowercase. Next is that is your str to uppercase. Next, here replace str dot replace the character p by b that I showed you, and next is also replace, but here we are going to replace the sequence of characters, that is string. So same example I told you, that bag is blue, so I want to replace the blue with pink. So wherever it will see the blue in the string, it will convert that blue into pink. And the last is that in string M I have computer, and string O I have application. So I want to join these two strings. So what I will use, I will use m dot concat O. That means m string will join to string O. And here we can use that m plus O also. So it will give you the same result. That plus operator we can use to join two strings. So let's run this one and we'll see what will be the result. So enter any string. I will enter computer only. So here is the result. See here, string in lowercase, that is computer. See here, in computer what I entered capital C, but it converted into lowercase. Next is string in uppercase. You can see it is written computer in fully uppercase. Next is string after replacement, is that I replaced P by B, so it is not computer now, it is computer. Next, string after replacement, again that bag is blue, so we converted blue by pink. Next, string after concatenation. After concatenation is your computer application. We had two strings and we joined them by using concat string function. So this will be the result. So this, in next video we will see more string functions. So till then, thank you. for watching the video.